Like, that is it. You guys know that is one of the reasons I love my Syntheticas, because it just doesn't take a whole lot of work, honey. She come ready, okay? She stay ready so she don't have to get ready, okay? I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey little bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So I did cop this unit with my own coins, and this unit is by Bobbi Boss in the style Etta. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is in the color 1B. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna basically let you guys watch me style this unit, and if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye! Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Hey y'all, so I did cop this unit with my own coins. Shout out to me for copping a wig with my own coins. This unit is by Bobbi Boss. If you've been watching me for a while, you get that, girl. You get that. Okay, so this unit is from the Natural Curl series. It is in the style MLL406 Etta, and it is in the color 1B. It says texturized and curlified, natural voluminous curl, 5-inch deep part, handmade, and the color that I'm about to show you that the model is wearing is in the color FS4/30. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. And then on the back it says safe heat styling, model Shawno model ginger orange, Shawno model burgundy, and it's telling you guys like the other like special colors that's it's available in. So that's that. And it says available in 5 texturized and curlified styles. So they got different styles. They got Shaka, Etta, Nina, Angie, and Shirley. Child, hold on now. Shaka, Etta, Nina, Angie. Now I don't know about Angie. Angie Stone? Like what Angie? And Shirley Caesar? I don't know, y'all, but that's what they got down here. So yeah. But yeah, so as far as cap construction with this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. This unit is not a frontal, okay? So it came with the parting space, as I showed you guys in the intro part of this video. If you are interested in seeing that, just kind of zoom back and look at the intro part where I show the cap construction. So yeah, you could probably switch it over. I personally think what type of parting is this? Yeah, it does have like a curve to it, so I don't feel like you can. So this unit is on my right side, because I know some people, they're like honey, I need to know if it's on the right or left, because certain size is just my side, honey. Okay, so I feel you, girl. This unit, I am wearing it on my right side. I personally do not have a side preference. For some reason, these baby hairs are not what's up for me right now. Okay, so y'all ain't gotta wear no baby hairs if you don't want to, because honestly, I don't think the next time that I wear it, I don't think I'm gonna utilize any baby hairs, because yeah, I kind of like it. And all the pictures that the models are wearing this unit, they're not wearing any baby hairs. I just felt like doing something. You know what? I think I'm gonna get rid of them because they drive me crazy now. Uno momento. Okay, yeah, so the baby hairs was getting on my nerves. They just, I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, this unit, they do have baby hairs. I think, like, I don't know if it even mentions that, but I felt like the unit did come with baby hairs. I did trim them, but I felt like the unit came with baby hairs, even though it's not being shown on any other model picture, so I could be tripping, girl. But yeah, as far as scalp construction, like I stated, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. I do feel like it is big head friendly. Granted, I don't have no hair right now, but I do feel like this unit is a big head friendly. Like, I feel like you can make it work if your head is on the bigger side. Okay, so as far as the parting space, I think that the parting looks really, really nice. As you guys can see, I don't feel like that's something that I even need to zoom in on. And I do feel like the hairline looks decent too, as far as wigs that aren't frontals go. I feel like it looks good. Like, I ain't mad at it. Like I guess it would be a closure wig. I feel like it looks good. Would that be a closure? Yeah, like a closure. So yeah, I feel like it looks good. Okay, so that is pretty much it, y'all. Obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you are interested in how I feel about this unit and what I used on it, any of that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Honestly, y'all, I really love this unit. Like, I really, really like this unit. And I knew I was gonna like it based off the stock card. I feel like usually to me, the stock cards look worse than the wig. So, like, worse than when you get it. And by me liking it on the stock card, I just felt like I knew that I would like it in general. I like the texture of this wig. It kind of gives me, I don't know what I would describe this texture as. I don't know. Maybe straw curl. Do y'all remember straw curls? Like, do y'all remember straw curls? Like, it's kind of giving me like straw curl feel, and I am living for it. Like, I just think it's really, really nice. It looks full, but it's not a really, really full unit, which is good, because I know a lot of you guys are worried about units being heavy. Wigs are rarely heavy on me, and it's not even something that I really pay attention to, but this one is really, really lightweight. As I stated, I think the parting space is nice. I'm not sure the price. Let me look and see if, what the price is, and that'll determine, like, if I feel like she's worth the coins. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so I paid $32 for this unit, and do I feel like she's worth $32? Yes. Nowadays, to me, wigs are just expensive, child. It don't matter if it's a synthetica or a human hair. Like, it's like most wigs are 30 and up now. Like, I don't know what's good, but that seems to be the case, especially with Bobbi Boss, honey. Bobbi Boss has always been a little high, okay? So I'm not surprised, but I don't feel like $32 is bad for this unit. I feel like you will get good wear out of it. Now, do I think she tangle? I forgot to tell you guys that a little while ago. Do I think she tangle? Yes, I do think she tangles. I didn't really comb her out, but as you guys can see, my hand is getting stuck right here. I do think she tangles, so keep that in mind. When I get certain curly wigs, I expect them to be a little tangly, and I don't even care. I just don't. Certain curly wigs. So yeah, it's not a big deal for me with this unit, but I do want you guys to know it. As far as shedding and tangling, shedding, child. As far as shedding, maybe she sheds a little bit. Yeah, she does shed, so keep that in mind. I don't think that is from me cutting off the lace, so it is shedding on me. So yeah, so keep that in mind as well. Like, child, yeah. But I still like her. Like, I like her. I think she's a whole look. Like, I just think she's really cute and really, really fun. It's just my sort of unit. Like, I like a good messy wig. Okay, so, and as far as what I used on it, honestly, I really didn't use much on it. I do want to mention that I did finally get the High Insta Hold Got to Be Glued spray, and honestly, I'm not a fan right now. I'm just not. I got 2 of them from Amazon, and right now I'm not a fan. But I do realize that different hairsprays or whatever work differently for different people. I'm not a fan of it doesn't mean that you won't be a fan of it. So yeah, I wanted to mention that. And I use some not Eco Styling Gel. I use some edge booster on the baby hairs before I got rid of them, and that is it. And ran my fingers through it. Like, that is it. You guys know that is one of the reasons I love my Syntheticals, because it just doesn't take a whole lot of work, honey. She come ready. Okay, she stay ready so she don't have to get ready. Okay, so that's why I like the Syntheticals. But now I can go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can finally wrap this thing up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the unit. If you're feeling it is a whole look to you or no, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.